Hi, Rowan here from Southpoint Films. Product training and support videos are incredibly helpful for businesses that need to train their users quickly and with minimal reliance on their team. One of our clients that uses these effectively is ICE, a nationwide distributor of cleaning machines across the UK. ICE stock hundreds of different products and machines, which can be distributed to sites all across the country, often with short notice. Video solves a massive problem for them, because instead of having to send their staff out to all these different sites, they can send the videos to the cleaners on the ground, who can then learn how the machines works and then report back if they have any specific questions that need answering, which saves a lot of time and a lot of money. When it comes to the production of these videos, we've worked with ICE for over a decade now, and the process is pretty straightforward. We arrive at ICE's offices where they've lined up a handful of machines for us to film that day. One of their staff will then walk through each machine, pointing out how it works, the key stats, as well as how to do basic maintenance, which we capture on camera from different angles, highlighting the different parts of the process with close-ups and with wide shots so that you can still see the presenter. Once we've captured everything we need, we head back to our offices, do the edit, and then we provide the videos with subtitles and branding, ready for it to go on ICE's website and app. The whole process, from beginning to end, usually takes a week or two, meaning that it's a fast turnaround, ready for those videos to go out alongside the machines, which are heading left, right, and centre to different sites across the country. When you choose to work with a video production company, you need to realise that you're not just hiring someone who can take pretty pictures, although that does often help. In our case with ICE, we work really closely with the presenters to guide and coach them so that they can give their best performance on camera. None of the people that we work with are professional TV presenters. They're just normal people who work at a normal company doing a normal job. And a big part of what we do is coaching them so that they can deliver their best performance on camera, even though it's something that's completely alien to most of them on a day-to-day basis. And I know that when I'm doing these shoots, I work really closely with the presenter to feed them lines and make sure that what they've said matches what they've previously said, and also that when we come to edit it, it will all flow nicely and smoothly together as if it was recorded in one go with no breaks in between. These videos are incredibly useful for businesses that are looking to scale quickly, affordably, and also consistently as well. Because remember, every time someone watches this video, no matter who they are or how many times they've played it, they're getting exactly the same information every time, so you know that nothing important is being missed. So if you're interested in finding out how videos like these could work for your business, let's have a chat. And together, we can make your business look amazing.